Ozlo Sleepbuds. Say goodbye to snoring, hello to Dreamland. Tired of your partner's snoring turning your nights into a horror movie? Say hello to Ozlo Sleepbuds, the snore-blocking, ultra-comfy, side sleeper-approved earbuds that make sleepless nights a thing of the past. Unlike clunky headphones or annoying white noise machines, these tiny, feather-light earbuds block noise naturally with soft silicone tips while streaming science-backed sleep sounds to lull you into deep, undisturbed sleep. Featuring Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, for ultra-low power consumption, they're designed for all-night comfort, no bulky batteries, no painful pressure, just pure, uninterrupted rest. Welcome to the future of sleep. Goodbye noise, hello Zen. Ozlo Sleepbuds don't just block snoring, they eliminate all sleep disruptors. Whether it's barking dogs, honking cars, or noisy neighbors, these earbuds create a personal oasis of tranquility. Their biometric sensors detect when you fall asleep and seamlessly switch from streaming your favorite audio to built-in noise-masking sounds. The in-ear alarm gently wakes you without disturbing your partner, making them perfect for couples. With a snug, secure fit, they won't fall out, no matter how much you toss and turn. Because great sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. 10 hours of battery life equals sleep all night. Forget the frustration of dead batteries at 3 a.m. The Ozlo Sleepbuds deliver up to 10 hours of playtime, and the smart case provides extra juice on the go. Unlike other earbuds that die before your dreams even begin, these are built for all-night endurance. The Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, connection keeps power consumption low while ensuring seamless connectivity up to 30 feet. No more disconnects, no more battery anxiety, just reliable, long-lasting performance. Your sleep is priceless, and Ozlo makes every second count. Clinically proven for better sleep, no pills, no side effects. Ozlo Sleepbuds aren't just another pair of earbuds, they're a sleep revolution. Backed by clinical research, they help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, without medication. Unlike bulky over-ear headsets or flimsy earplugs, they're expertly engineered for comfort, durability, and effectiveness. They're tech-tested, sleep scientist-approved, and built for real-world use. Whether you're a light sleeper, shift worker, or frequent traveler, these earbuds give you control over your sleep like never before. Invest in your rest, because better sleep equals better life. Upgrade your nights, your sleep deserves the best. If you're tired of restless nights, Ozlo Sleepbuds are your dream come true. With snore-blocking technology, sleep-enhancing sounds, and all-night comfort, they're the ultimate sleep solution. Whether you need to drown out a snoring partner, noisy city life, or just want to wake up feeling actually refreshed, these earbuds deliver. Don't let noise steal your sleep, take back your nights, one peaceful dream at a time. Click add to cart now and experience the best sleep of your life.